Hey, how's everyone doing today? So today I just want to bring you another recall that Honda just came out with a few days ago. This one has to do with the new Honda Civic. And what it has to do with is the power steering on these vehicles. It affects 2022 to 2024 models, so brand new vehicles here. So I just wanted to let you guys know what this exactly entails, so you guys can be aware of it. If you do have a Honda Civic, definitely stay tuned, so you'll know exactly what it has to do with. So let's get right to this. So, like I said, it just came out a few days ago, and it affects 176,000 different Civics. And it's not really anything to do with what model it is either. So it could be a 4-door, the 5-door models. But quick information, if your Honda Civic has never had any work done regarding power steering issues, then you're all good. You're clear. This video won't have anything to do for you. But I guess what happened was, if you have one of those models or the years, a 2022 to 2024 Honda Civic, and you've previously had power steering rack replaced, so that's the whole thing with this recall. So if you're one of the 176,000 that have had it replaced, they're saying now that that new power steering rack was incorrectly assembled, which will lead to the tire chafing against the suspension or a tie rod end. And of course, this in turn can cause tire damage, wear and tear on the tire itself, and then increasing the risk of an injury. Hence, that's why they announced the recall on it, because it's a safety concern. So if any of you out there have those models, so it covers those three models, or the 3 years, sorry, the 2022, 2023, and 2024, and you've had your steering rack replaced, definitely give them a call. I'll put the phone number on the screen here, because what it's saying here is that they're going to start notifying owners on December 4th. They mail out the notices, but they're saying while you're waiting for this, you can contact your Honda dealer or Honda customer service, which is this phone number on the screen, or you can stop by your local dealer as well, and they can inspect it. And if it needs it, they'll replace the electric power steering rack, of course, free of charge. So I just want to let you guys know that. So if you have a Honda Civic, those years, you've had the power steering issues before, had work done, definitely give your dealer a call, have it checked out, because you don't want damage on that for sure. And like I said, it's under warranty anyway, so you want to get that taken care of. I wouldn't wait till December 4th to get the notice. Just go ahead and give them a call and they'll let you know. Okay, so again, just some information here. If you didn't know that, if you guys have a Honda Civic, definitely give your dealer a call if you had any power steering issues with it. I would go ahead and do that. Even if you haven't had the rack replaced, but you had work done, I would go ahead and give them a call and they can check it out for you, because you never know. Sometimes these start like this and they start expanding it. So again, I just want to give you guys some information. Don't know if you guys heard that or not. Again, I appreciate it. I really do. Hope everyone's having a great day out there. And I'll catch you guys on the next video. Thanks again, everybody.